Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these replacement filters for the Dyson V12 Detect Slim. Alright, so right here we've got the replacement filters. This one does work with the Dyson V12 Detect Slim vacuums, the V12 Slim vacuums. These are 3.38 inches wide by 5.23 inches high and 2.48 inches wide on the bottom. So this does not work with the V11 Animal or the V11 Torque drive. So these ones here work and function just like the original ones do. You can see I have my V12 Detect Slim vacuum right here, and it is actually working. So this is compatible with the V12 Detect Slim and Detect Slim Extra. So this has a high quality made of high strength environmental friendly materials. It is HEPA double filter cotton. It can effectively isolate 99.9% dust down to 0.3 micrometer. So just like the original one, it is washable and reusable. You wash it in running water, let it dry completely before reusing it. It is recommended to replace regularly about 90 days according to the usage, just like the original one. But these ones do function just like the original ones. So again, this one is compatible with the Dyson V12 Detect Slim, Detect Slim Extra, and the V12 Detect Slim Absolute. So if you have the V12 series and you're looking for replacement filters, I would highly recommend checking these ones out. These ones functions as the original ones.